In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demo on why PyTorch is powerful and how it is beneficial to you in increasing the computation speed while performing the machine learning and deep learning. We will be learning all these things in this course itself. But before we dive into the lesson, let me now show you the demo of two important features. First is speed. Let's look at how the computation can be made faster using the Torch library. And I've already written the code for the purpose of this video, and just to summarize, here in one of the cell, I have created a loop for 10,000 epochs. And inside each epoch, I have generated the NumPy arrays. And then I have performed the matrix multiplication using NumPy function. In the same way, I have performed the same action using the Torch library on Torch tensors on GPU. I have also added a magic command that is time on each of the cells to capture the computation time. Okay, what I'll do is I'll now just execute this code. Yes, we now have the results. It's like we are getting around 250 times faster than the NumPy arrays. That means the computation which takes more than a day with NumPy arrays can now be performed in a matter of few minutes. That's how fast it is to perform computation using Torch tensors. And in this course, we will learn how to work with these tensors. Apart from advantage of speed, PyTorch also have this autograd feature. So what is this autograd feature? Imagine writing a backpropagation with gradient descent from scratch. It would have so many lines of code when we write it with NumPy library. We would have to write the forward propagation first by mentioning about the linear operation and the activation function for each neuron. We then compute the loss by finding the output from our network. And then we have to write the logic for each of the gradients for each of the parameter in deep neural network. So depending on the number of neurons, it was one of the time-taking operation as we were writing the logic for each neuron. But if we were to perform the same action in PyTorch, no matter how deep our neural network may be, the code writing in PyTorch is very intuitive. And most of our manual work has been taken care by PyTorch library itself. So all we have to do is, we just define the number of neurons and layers, and then model and then create forward pass with loss function. So guys, all we have to do is, we just define the number of neurons and layers and then model and then create the forward pass with loss function. That's it. Yes, that's it. Once we have completed the forward pass, we will simply make use of autograd feature in PyTorch and update all the parameters with just a single line of code. That's how easy it is to code with PyTorch. Yes, you heard me right. It is that easy. So guys, if all these concepts are new to you, don't worry. We will explore all these in detail in the upcoming videos of this course. So, I hope you have got some idea why we are learning the PyTorch in this course. And I'll see you in the next video.